Well, it's check-in day. Today we are staying at the Paris Hotel here in Las Vegas.
And tell them why.
Well, you know what? Every time you come to Vegas, you know, you do the typical thing. You put 20 bucks in a slot machine, you put 50 bucks in a slot machine, and they end up emailing you all of those wonderful comps. Well, we got a comp for a free night stay here at the Paris, so we're gonna check it out and let you guys know what a free room looks like.
Yeah, excited.
Just checked into the Paris, got my Perpato shirt on, I got my sunglasses on my head here. We're gonna put on our bathing suits as well, and we're gonna head down to the pool. Got the bucket. It says Miller Lite, but I mean actually it's a bucket full of Coronas.
Finally at the Paris pool, and I'm loving it. I thought the Cosmo pool was it. I mean, they're all in here in Vegas, but this surprised me. And look at this view. How do you not love this? Walk out to Las Vegas.
That was the pool here at Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. I think it's time that we wrap this up a little bit and we go up to the room, get changed, and head out for the next part of this video.
See you in a bit.
We are heading out of the Paris right now and gonna grab a cab or an Uber or a Lyft and head down to Fremont Street. Welcome to Fremont Street. We're at the D. We got these huge rum runners.
My goodness. Do you think we're gonna finish them off?
These are insanely strong. About 3/4 of them is straight alcohol.
Can you tell?
Yeah, we're going to show you a little bit of Fremont Street. Let's do it now. Guys, we are at Project BBQ outside of the Circa Hotel and Casino. This is the food truck out here on Fremont Street. We got the platter. It's got a bunch of everything on it. And it's amazing. Guys, that was one of the best meals that we've had here in Vegas. You guys gotta try out Project BBQ in front of the Circa Hotel on Fremont Street. So good. Highly recommend it. Get it, eat it, enjoy it, love it. You're gonna, it's amazing. Good morning. Wow, what a wonderful night last night down on Fremont Street. The bands were pumping out great 80s rock, and then also that food truck was just amazing. We're heading over to the Henry right now at the Cosmo for breakfast.
Welcome to the Henry. We're finally here, ready to have some great breakfast.
We just ordered the Henry Big Brioche French Toast, maple syrup, fresh berries, whipped butter, and then also the signature short rib Benedict, which is braised short rib, soft poached eggs, hollandaise on hash browns. That braised short rib is amazing. that was breakfast at the Henry. This is a place we go to every single time we're here in Vegas. The food did not disappoint. The brioche was very soft, lots of butter on there. It was great. And the braised rib, eggs Benedict.
It was unbelievable, as always, the way we remembered it.
So we've been getting a lot of comments about people asking us about what we bring with us when we travel. And I want just to take 2 minutes just to tell you about some of the little things that we bring with us, make our life a little bit easier. And these are things that you can bring with you on a plane, in a carry-on. So the first product here is a multi-plug. This one here has got 3 USB ports and 3 plugs. You can use this for your cell phones. I have a sleep machine that I use, and not every hotel room has a plug right beside the bed. So that is one of those things that we use. Another thing is a portable coffee maker by Left & Hans. This one here is small enough that it can fit in a carry-on as well. We buy some coffee cups from the dollar store, and we bring our own K-cups. This way we don't have to go downstairs, wait in a half an hour lineup to get coffee and then pay those prices that they have at Starbucks, $7 or $8 and stuff like that per coffee, when we just want to relax in the room in the morning. One other thing we bring with us is this travel set by Oniro. This stuff is amazing. All of these are under 100 mil, which means they're TSA approved to bring on the plane with you. There is a body wash, there's shampoo, there's conditioner, there is also a spritz that I absolutely love, and the body milk in there has saved me quite a number of times from when I get sunburnt. So those are a couple things that we bring with us. Please comment below and let us know, is there something that you guys bring with you that we should look at and maybe purchase for ourselves and have on our next trip? And here are a couple of the newer restaurants here at Paris. This is Nobu. They just opened here. It's more of a casual dining experience. Love the fact they did the open kitchen here. You can see them preparing all the food here. Here's another place that just opened. This is Bobby's Burgers. This is famous Bobby Flay. This place usually always has a lineup. There's only about 6 people in line right now, which is strange because the other day it was around the corner.
Delicious. Bobby's Burgers, amazing. Welcome to Vegas.
Thanks a lot. Heard it from a regular customer, comes here all the time. And Martha Stewart is actually opening up a restaurant here called The Bedford. Quite a number of people have been anticipating this Martha Stewart restaurant.
Do you feel like we're in Paris?
Look at this street, guys. We are walking in Paris now. Could be in Europe, actually in Las Vegas. Everybody's just at the cafes having some lunch. You could actually come over here and have a crepe at Le Creperie, or you can come and have La Pizza. This is La Pizza here. I guess you can buy it by the slice. They also have ice cream. They have a lot of pastries here as well. And as you walk down these beautiful hallways here in Paris, I mean, realistic, it looks like you're walking down a little side road in Europe. Here's Napoleon's. Look at this place. It definitely looks like you're at a Parisian cafe. So that was our stay here at Paris. It was only for one night, but boy, did we have a great time. We wanted to give you our thoughts on this resort and the room. Things we loved about this room is that there's an abundance of closet space. You have your own fridge here to put your stuff in. The pool was fantastic. It's heated, it's large, there's lots of lounge chairs all the way around. The bathroom, the fact that there's a separate tub and shower is great. But we did notice a couple things that sort of threw us back. The lighting is very, very dim in the bathroom and in the rest of the room. And one thing that really kind of threw me back was by the desk, there's actually no plug. So if you bring your own laptop or something like that, you can't plug in anything at the desk, which doesn't make sense. But other than that, overall, this is a fantastic resort. People have been so kind to us and so nice. And the views from these windows is just great. Well, that wraps it up for us here at the Paris. We are Nick and Viv from Perpato with Envy. We want to thank you again for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you thought if you stayed here at the Paris. Well, we're heading out. Got to catch a plane back home. We will see you on the next one. Bye.